I'm Eddie at BWI Texarkana. I'm the transportation maintenance supervisor.
I'm Gary Hanna. I'm the maintenance mechanic at BWT Texarkana, and I'm going to be installing the Peoplenet camera.
Okay, when you get your camera system, you should have 4 boxes, a cable, 2 jumper harnesses. These will come separate. You may already have them. Opening them up, you have antenna module. Which has the antenna, wiring harness, and some screws, connectors, different things you're going to need. The next one is a forward-facing camera. This is one that goes on the windshield. It has your RAM mount, your actual camera, a couple of alcohol prep pads, and an extension for the camera cable. This is just a box. It's got a bunch of cables and different things in it. And the DVR, that's what's in it. Just the DVR. And you'll see later, but while you've got it handy, this DVR number here, you're going to need it. So go ahead and get it now while it's easy to get to. It also comes with a set of keys. What the keys do is this is locked where you cannot get the card out of it. Well, I know they go. There we go. Key just unlocks it where you can get the cards out. Okay, you'll come a cable just by itself. This is the cable that goes from the camera on the mirror on the hood and around back to your recorder. These are what you use to hook to the recorder and the cameras to power those up in the Volvo. If it's not a Volvo, you'll have to do something else. The Volvo uses these. This is the mirror that goes on the hood. I'm going to leave it in the box till we're ready for it. This is a camera. You're going to need the camera. The alcohol wipes, some paper towels, your mount, and your cable, and we'll install this in the vehicle.